Hello friends, welcome to Cooperative Exam Daily. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഇന്ന് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് കുറച്ച് മോഡൽ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് കേട്ടോ. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും വീഡിയോസ് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടാൽ പ്ലീസ് ലൈക്ക്, ഷെയർ ആൻഡ് കമൻറ്റ് ആൻഡ് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് അവർ ചാനൽ ഫോർ മോർ വീഡിയോസ്. ലെറ്റ്സ് we start. First question. Gorhan Committee report is associated with the answer NCUI, National Cooperative Union of India. NCUI, National Cooperative Union of India, was established in the year 1929 and its headquarters is New Delhi. National Cooperative Union is established in the year 1929 and its headquarters is New Delhi, and it was registered as per Multi-Unit Cooperative Society Act of 1942. Okay, NCUI was established NCUI was registered as per Multi-Unit Cooperative Society Act of 1942, and important monthly publication of NCUI is the Cooperator. Okay, NCUI's monthly publication is the Cooperator. Next point. The principal of a cooperative training center is a deputy registrar. Answer is deputy registrar. Next, the name of the fund newly added to section 56 of CASIS, Kerala Cooperative Societies Act 1969 is Cooperative Member Relief Fund. Cooperative Member Relief Fund. Next, after passing resolution to amalgamate or division, dash month is given to shareholder to withdraw his share. The answer is 2 months. Next, dash was the member secretary of All India Rural Credit Survey Committee. All India Rural Credit Survey Committee. The answer is NSR Shastri. NSR Shastri. Next, renewal fee for patent is a answer revenue expense. Next, increase in value of certain asset is called appreciation. Next, share loan ratio in a PACS is 1:100. PACS, Primary Agricultural Cooperative Society. Next, number of writers at the time of registration of SPCS. SPCS means Sahitya Pravartaka Cooperative Society. Sahitya Pravartaka Cooperative Society, which was established in the year 1945 and its headquarters is Kottayam. Sahitya Pravartaka Cooperative Societies or SPCS is established in the year 1945 and its headquarters is at Kottayam. Next, the first dairy society of Denmark was at Herning. What are the points related to Denmark? Denmark is known as birthplace of dairy farming, or homeland of Denmark is known as homeland of dairy farming, and Denmark is also known as dairy farm of Europe. Cooperation begins in Denmark in the year 1882. Then DAAG, which relates to Denmark, and Lurbrand is the trade name of the dairy products in Denmark, and also FDB, Danish Cooperative Wholesale Society and Union. It is known as FDB, which was also related to Denmark. Okay. Next, the state farm of USSR means Russia was known as Sarkozy. Answer is Sarkozy. Next, the related point to USSR is 1. Selpo. Next, Centro Soyas, Kolkhoz. These cooperative institutions are related to USSR or Russia. Okay, remember the points. Next, unity, service, quality is the slogan of CWS. CWS is the cooperative wholesale store in England. CWS is the cooperative wholesale store in England. Next, the cattle breeding society of Denmark is called Bull Club. The cattle breeding society of Denmark is called Bull Club. Next, the Tokyo Congress of ICA was held in the year 1992. ICA is the International Cooperative Alliance. ICA means International Cooperative Alliance. It is the federation of cooperative organization in the world. It was established in the 19th August 1895. ICA was established 19th August 1895 in London. Next, okay. Next, the SBI started agricultural development branches in 1971. So, SBI is the largest public sector bank in India, and it was established 1st July 19. It was established on 1st July 1955, and its headquarters is Mumbai. Okay. The first name of SBI is Imperial Bank of India. Imperial Bank. Sorry. The previous name of SBI, State Bank of India, is Imperial Bank of India. Next, disputes are classified in Section 69. Section 69. The first Indian Cooperative Law Act of 1904 Act. The first Indian Cooperative Law is Act of Cooperative Societies Act of 1904. Next, the cooperative spinning mills in India was started in dash 5-year plan. Dash 5-year plan. The answer is 7th 5-year plan. 7th 5-year plan. The cooperative spinning mills in India was started in 7th 5-year plan. Next, SPCS. I already said that Sahitya Pravartaka Cooperative Society, which was established in the year 1945. Headquarters Kottayam. Then, which was registered under Travancore Cooperative Society Act of 1914. Travancore Cooperative Society Act of 1914. Next, FCLU is a cooperated relates to China. FCLU is a cooperator relates to China. Okay. Next, SHG Self-Help Group was introduced by NABARD. NABARD, National Bank for Agricultural and Rural Development. It was established in the year 1882. 12th July 1882, and it was registered as per NABARD Act 1881. NABARD Act 1881. Then its headquarters is Next, Shubha Reddy. Shubha Reddy Committee relates to Urban Bank. Shubha Reddy Committee relates to Urban Bank. Headquarters of NABARD is Mumbai. Okay. Headquarters of NABARD is Mumbai. Then Shubha Reddy Committee relates to Urban Cooperative Society. Next, Elder Citizens Cooperative Societies are in relates to Japan. Elder Citizens Cooperative Societies are relates to Japan. Next, Banking Reforms Committee headed by Narasimhan was appointed in answer 1991. Next, as per section 61 of KCS Act, dash fund is to be maintained by society? The answer is Provident Fund. Next, fact-finding committees related to handloom industry. Next, the Indian Consumer Cooperatives is published by NCCT. The Indian Consumer Cooperative is published by NCCT, National Council for Cooperative Training. Next, attached movable properties of a defaulter can be sold through public auction after dash days. The answer is 15 days. Next, Indian Farm Forestry Development Cooperative is formed by IFFCO. IFFCO is registered IFFCO was registered on 3rd November 1967. IFFCO is registered on 3rd November 1967. That is Indian Farmers Fertilizers Cooperative Limited. Its headquarters is at New Delhi. Headquarters of IFFCO is at New Delhi. Next, the first subsidiary of State Bank of India is State Bank of Hyderabad. State Bank of Hyderabad. SBI was established on first July 1955. 1st July 1955. Headquarters Mumbai. Then the previous name is Imperial Bank of India. Imperial Bank of India was the amalgamation of Bank of Bengal, Bank of Madras and Bank of Bombay. The first name of SBI is Bank of Calcutta. Okay. Next, bad debt recovered during the year is revenue receipt. Next, the government power to make KCS rules is mentioned in section dash of KCS Act. The answer is 109. Next, total amount of deposit minus the statutory reserve is called lendable resources. Next, nomination paper for election of members to the CCU Circle Cooperative Union shall be made in form number 14A. Next, KCC scheme was prepared by NABARD on the recommendation of which committee? The answer is R.V. Gupta Committee. Next, the year in which Kerala Federation of SC/ST Cooperative Limited was formed. The answer is 1981. So, SC/ST Cooperative Societies was registered on 22nd July 1981 and it started functioning on 5th October 1981. Okay, it was registered on 22nd July 1981 and it started functions on 5th October 1981 and its headquarters is Thiruvananthapuram. Headquarters of SCST Fed is Thiruvananthapuram. Okay, next. The share issued by the companies by capitalization of profit is called bonus share. Bonus shares. Next. Chaudhary Brahmaprakash committee was appointed by, the answer is Planning Commission. Next, Chairman of the Committee on Loans, B.P. Patil. Next, in executing the standing instructions, there exists a relationship of dash. The answer is lessor and lessee. Next, special bad debt reserve was recommended by, answer is V.L. Mehta Committee. Next, first woman president of ICA, International Cooperative Alliance, 1895. The first woman president of ICA was Dan Pauline Green. Next, administrative committee consists not more than dash number of persons. The answer is 3 persons. Next, magazine of Cochin Cooperative Institute. Answer is Cooperative Prabodhini. Next, cooperative tribunal is a person who has been holding the post of dash in the state. The answer is district judge. Next, SARFAESI Act related to loan recovery. SARFAESI Act related to loan recovery. Next, Familistia was started by dash in France. The answer is Andre Gordon. Familistia was started by dash in France. It was started by Andre Gordon. Next, the report submitted by All India Rural Credit Survey Committee contains dash volumes. The answer is 3 volumes. Next, the dash is known as provision person. The answer is H.C. Sone. Next, the number of writers at the time of registration of SPCS, Sahitya Pravartaka Cooperative Society, is 12. It was established in 1945. Okay, 1945. Then H.C. Sone, he was known as father of cooperative movement in Denmark. Okay, H.C. Sone is known as father of cooperative movement in Denmark. Okay, so dash is known as provision of person. Who? H.C. Sone. Next, Cooperation in Changing Italy was written by Horace Plunkett. Next, Magazine of Institute of Bank Management Vinimaya. Next, first cooperative sugar factory, UP, in Uttar Pradesh, where Ethiopica, in Uttar Pradesh, Ethiopica. Next, dash committee studied about cooperative farming. The answer is Nijalingappa committee. Next, SPCA, Sahitya Pravartaka Cooperative Society, which was established in the year 1945. Headquarters at Kottayam. So, SPCS Akshara Puraskaram gives in every dash month. The answer is 20 months. Next, land mortgage banks recommended by 1000 committee in the year 1927. 1000 committee in the year 1927. Next, supermarkets run by Coimbatore Center Cooperative Stores, Chinlamani. The answer is Chinlamani. Next, right of members to get information section. The answer is section 19B. Next, which cooperator formed Labour Cooperative Society in Italy? The answer is Mazzini. Next, the first woman president of DCB in Kerala, DCB District Cooperative Bank in Kerala. The answer is P. Sati Devi, Kozhikode District Cooperative Bank. P. Sati Devi, Kozhikode District Cooperative Bank. Next, bills drawn and accepted payable after 3 months is called an usance bill. The answer is usance bill. Next, Section 9 of NI Act deals with the holder in due course. NI Acts, Negotiable Instrument Act of 1881. Negotiable Instrument Act of 1881. Under this Act, Section 9 deals with the holders in due course. Next, the scrutiny with regard to the area of operation is done as per Section 7, subsection 1, clause C. Okay. Next, affix of stamps are necessary in the case of promissory note. Okay. So, promissory note are described in Section 4 of Negotiable Instrument Act of 1881. Section 4 of Negotiable Instrument Act of 1881. Next, the auditor of a multi-state cooperative society is appointed by Central Registrar. Next, teaming and lading is also known as lapping. Next, site bill is another name for demand bill. Next, Dash was known as poor man's doctor. Dash was known as poor man's doctor. The answer is William King. Answer is William King. Next, first RRB in India, Regional Rural Bank. Regional Rural Bank. The answer is Pradhama Bank, Moradabad in UP. Pradhama Bank in Moradabad in UP. So RRB was first established on 2nd October 1975. Okay, RRBs are established on 2nd October 1975. RRB Act 1976, and RRBs are established on the recommendation of Narasimhan Committee. On the recommendation of Narasimhan Committee. Okay, next, SBI is the first Indian bank to open branch in China. Next, Indian urban banks indebted to Dash Committee. The answer is McLagan Committee. Next, the rainbow emblem was suggested by Bernardo. Answer is Bernardo. Next, Dash is the scheduled primary bank of India. Shamarao. Shamarao. Next, the brand name of baby oil produced by Rapco. The brand name of baby oil produced by Rapco. The answer is Lush Oil. Next, who compiled the Act of 1904 Act? The answer is Sir Davsil Ibbotson. Next, back to land. Back to land was the main motto of cooperative movement in France. Cooperative movement in France. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ പിന്നെ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് കേട്ടോ. അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാവർക്കും വീഡിയോസ് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടാൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. അതേപോലെ തന്നെ നിങ്ങളുടെ സജഷൻസ് കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യാനും മറക്കരുത്. താങ്ക് യു.